What color is it? Is it white or blue? What color? It's red. What color is this? It's green. What color is this? It's black. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put your hands on the table. Say, yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Alright, what animal do you like? I like dog, cats, bird, elephant. What animal do you like? Do you like dog? Do you like dog? Dogs, do you like? Or meow? What animal is that? What is that?
Yeah.
Cat! Roar. What animal is that? What animal? Meow! Cat.
Cat.
Yes, cat. Oh no, let's start our speaking test, okay? Liam, show me your little finger. Okay, little finger. Show me what is this? Go ahead. More? Louder? Yes, good. Next, show me your little finger. What's that? It's what's that? Swing. Okay, next.
Monkey.
Good. Show me your little finger. It's a
Sandcastle.
sandcastle. Good. It's a
Flower.
good. Next. It's a crayon.
Crayon.
Good. Next. It's a
Seesaw.
yes. It's a
Slide.
slide. Perfect. Next. What color is it? Show me your little finger. What color is it? Good. Look at this. This one. Look.
Green.
Green. Next.
Crayon.
Red. A crayon. Oh my gosh, Liam, you forgot the color. What color is it again? Color?
Red.
Color?
Green.
Next. What color is it?
Green.
Red. Red.
Red.
Green.
Green. Green.
Okay, good. Next. What color is it?
Brown.
Brown. Next.
Pink.
Pink. Yes. Okay, number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's this?
Number 3.
Number. What's this?
Number 4.
What's this?
Number 1.
What's this?
Number
Hmm.
3.
Yes, you're smart. Correct. Now, which one is stop? Stop. What's this?
Stop.
Next. Which one is stand up?
Snap.
Good job. Next. Which one is turn around?
Turn around.
Good job. Next. Which one is play in the sandbox?
Play in the sand.
Great job. Next, which one is lie down the slide?
Sit down the slide.
Very good. Next, last one. Which one is swing on the swings?
The wind on the swing.
Yay!